Bitcoin weekly macro update. Today is this February 22nd, 2026. I'll go through the review, starting with the monthly time frame. Each of these candles is 1 month. We've gone straight up here, so we're going to have a bullish movement until we had this bearish tick going down from November, December, January, and now February. It's been going down very rapidly. So we see that it kept on going past this low, and maybe heading to this low is a possibility. Up here, this high, this swing high, is actually the all-time high. So these are the draws. Either comes down to this point, or this candle right here, which is just a little bit further down, or this one right here, or this one right here. And then we can go all the way up to retrace above this candle that it was at right now, or come up to 96, 97. But that will be a really big turn. That'll take a lot of liquidity and money to make that movement. But as of right now, we have bearish movement. This is currently a bearish movement and not showing a bottom yet. Or maybe showing a bottom here with a tail here. Today is the 22nd, which means it's almost the end of the month. So yeah, this could be the bottom, and then we could be rising for maybe in March. But we'll have to see. This is the monthly time frame. We'll go to the weekly time frame. Price action rose and rose, and then came back down, almost hitting the 200 MA, which is going to show. It's going to show probably a bottom right there, probably a support level. So this is the support level. It's going to bounce and bounce back up. Well, if you knew that the target came down to where it is here at the 200 MA now. So this could be a possible spot for a turn, for a swing low and up. As you saw, this long tail down here, this may be the second bounce to the rise. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Daily time frame. Price action went down under the 200 MA, showing definite weakness. Came down, spiked down, then bouncing, not quite as low as this one, but we'll see if this one gets to this point. And you can see that this low comes equal to this low back here. So it was grabbing that liquidity down here. So people thought, oh, he went down and then gonna go straight up, back up. But maybe he's going for a little second test to get all those people who were thinking it's gonna go up, get them out, and then probably rise again, which is a possibility. On the 1 hour time frame, price action below the 200 MA, and you can see it just dumped down today under 200 MA, showing even further weakness. So it came down past this low, higher low up here, and now of course we got the lower low down here, which could be another target. We'll have to see how the week plans out. Today's a Sunday. You can see this has been going just sideways. Not much movement. So if we gone like this for this time period, let's go over to with trend lines and see how it looks different. So with trend lines, you can see that price action went down just like before, went sideways, and I put it in this red box as accumulation phase, and possible emphasis manipulation, since this price action went below this box. So now it's below currently this box. This might be a manipulation where it goes A, manipulate, and then spike up after that. But we'll have to keep an eye on that. This is the 15-minute action line that I'm hoping that this dips and then rips above the 15-minute. That will show me a more clear sign of bullish support, bullish action. Remember, we're still under the 200 MA, showing weakness. We got outside of the ranging accumulation. Manipulation is probably beginning to form, possibly. And we know we have news coming up. All these vertical lines are news coming up, showing up here. From biggest movements is going to be Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. These three guys. So we may get more manipulation down due to these guys, or this might be a prompt catalyst for a pump back up. So that remains to be seen. So if we're looking at the fear grade index, we're at 14, really all-time low. So that is a lot of fear going on. And whenever you want to buy for something for the long haul, if you believe in it, this is the prime time to buy, because everything's on sale right now. So just keep an eye on that 14 extreme fear, as you can see right here. So that's going to be the update for Sunday, February 22nd, 2026.